Okay, let's see what kind of a early evening it is outside. Let's see, we've got cats feeding at the back steps. How many cats? There's Tuxedo Cat staring at me, and behind her is the little cat we called Spot, who has a little white spot on his nose. And then there's 1, 2, 3 black cats. And beyond that is another, let's see, 4, 5 black cats and a gray and white tiger striped cat. And back in the back is the orange cat, who's an older cat. And that cat, when we put food out for these cats, the orange cat always goes first. So the rest of the cats defer to the big old orange cat. And I see there's a little cat with white feet back. But usually we don't get this many cats in the evening feeding because other people in the neighborhood feed these cats. But I think today these cats missed their feeding, so they all were kind of hanging around our back door and kind of looking expectant and whining and crying. So we took pity on them and set out several plastic bowls full of cat food, and now they're having a feast.